So I'm just going to make one longer video with the 5 answers to the 5 questions. A dishwasher uses 33 kilowatts per hour if it is used 166 hours. So we can do 166 times 33. I would say, rounding this up, I would go to approximately 200 times 30, which is 6 with 3 zeros. So I'm going to be looking for an answer that is around that. So it looks like it could be one of these, probably C. 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 6 is 18, 19, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. I put down the 0 because I'm multiplying by the tens place. So 3 or 30 times 6 is 18, carry the 1. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 8, 7, 4, 5, 4, 7, 8 is the answer. This question, what is the product of 780 times 5? This one, it may be simple enough, simply just to multiply it. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40, put down the 0, carry the 4. 5 times 3 is 35, plus 4 is 39, tells me the answer. I could also estimate 800. You'd go 800 times 5 to get 4,000. This is an example where you would not go 800 times 10, gets you 8,000. This would not be good because rounding 5 up just changes the answer too much. Here, our 5th and 6th grade scholars are going on a trip. So we have 5 homerooms in the 5th grade with each class is 27 scholars. So we're going to go 27 times 5, which would be 35, 135 students in the 5th grade. You could also round this to like 30 times 5 is 150. In the 6th grade, we have 5 homerooms with 22. So 22 times 5 is 110. You could also round this to 20 times 5 is 100. So I'm going to add them up. 135 plus 110 is 245. If you do the estimates, you would get 150 plus 100 is 250. Then you're going to multiply 245 times $15 each. Since this number is a little bit more difficult, you might round like 200 times 15. The answer is going to be around 3,000, and it's going to be a little bit higher than this. So my guess is around this. If you actually multiply it out, 245 times 15, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 4 is 20, 22, 5 times 2 is 10, 11, 12, and 5, 4, 2, 5, 7, 6, 3. So this is my answer. To the product. Now these questions are just long. I'm going to do it in black. 1,624 times 23. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2, 15, 13, 7, 3. So we would put the answer of 37,352. If you use the box method, you're going to have 20 and 3, 1,000, 624. This would be 20,000. This would be 3,000. 12,000. This is 400. This is 80. 1,800, 60, and 12. Then you have to add up these numbers. The important part is lining up the place values. And we have, I like doing it from largest to smallest. You can choose kind of any order. I think I might have, did I get them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes. So there's going to be a 2 in the ones place. And then here, this is where you have to line out the place values. I didn't do a very good job. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15. And then in the hundreds, if 1 plus 8 and 4 is 12, 13. Now the thousands, I've got 2, 3 is 5, 6, 7, and then 2 and 1. Did I get the same? 37,552. The last question. Companies consolidating, putting all together all their computer and files. So if you do the standard algorithm, you're going to have 319. I'll change to red. So 319 times 193. Again, I think it's easier if you do the estimate. 300 times 200. 3 times 2 is 6. There are 4 zeros. 60,000. Now you're going to have to look to see that you have the correct number of place values. D would be the answer. If you multiply it out, and this is the second time I'm doing this because I actually made a mistake. So 3 times 9 is 27, and the 2, 3 times 1 is 3, 4, 5, 3 times 3 is 9, put down the 0 because I'm multiplying by tens. 9 times 9 is 81, down the 1, carry the 8, 9 times 1 is 9, plus 8 is 17, 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. Now I'll be multiplying by the 100, so I put 2 zeros. 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. So that's 7, 6. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 7 is 5, 1, 6, and I got the exact answer that is there. Again, I find it easier if you do the estimate to get the answer, but this is how you would actually multiply it out with the standard algorithm.